Welcome, in front of me is a Neffos X20, and today I will show you how to access the recovery mode on the device. So to get started, you want to hold power key in order to shut off the device. And once the device is off, you want to hold power key and volume up till you see the Neffos logo, at which point you will release the keys. So let's go. And we're now in the recovery mode. So from here you can use volume keys to navigate, volume down to go down and up to go up. And as you can see, you can reboot the system, reboot the bootloader, apply updates, wipe the phone, wipe cache, mount system, view logs, graphs, run local tests, and power off. Now as an example, I'm just gonna reboot the system. So once the item that I want to do is selected, all I need to do is press power key to accept it. And you can see that the device is now rebooting, and we should soon after be in the Android system. And there we go. So that is how you would boot in and out of the recovery mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.